Maintaining a diet that's low in carbohydrates and sugar can be essential for various health goals, from managing weight to stabilizing blood sugar levels. Welcome back to our channel. Before going into the video, please subscribe our channel and thumbs up for the effort we are doing for your well-being. Here are 10 foods that not only fit the bill, but also offer essential nutrients for your overall well-being. 1. Chicken and turkey. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are rich in protein, which supports muscle health and keeps you feeling full. They contain minimal carbohydrates and no sugar. Roast, grill, or saute them with your favorite seasonings for a delicious and nutritious meal. 2. Fish, salmon, tuna. Salmon and tuna are not only low in carbs and sugar, but also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health. These fish are a fantastic source of protein and can be baked, grilled, or pan-seared for a flavorful dish. 3. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're low in carbs and sugar while being loaded with protein, vitamins, and minerals. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are a versatile and satisfying choice. 4. Cheese, cheddar, mozzarella. Cheese, such as cheddar and mozzarella, adds a burst of flavor to your meals. It's low in carbs and sugar but high in calcium. Sprinkle it on salads or enjoy it as a snack in moderation. 5. Nuts, almonds, walnuts. Almonds and walnuts are low in carbs and sugar and packed with healthy fats. They're an ideal snack for curbing hunger and provide essential nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's low in carbs and sugar. It's a rich source of vitamins C and K, along with essential minerals like iron and potassium. Incorporate it into salads, omelets, or smoothies for a nutrient boost. 7. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile veggie with minimal carbs and sugar. It's high in fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K. You can make cauliflower rice, mash it as a potato substitute, or roast it with herbs and spices for a flavorful side dish. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is another low-carb, low-sugar vegetable. It's known for its nutrient density, providing vitamins C and K, as well as iron and calcium. Steam or stir-fry broccoli for a crunchy and nutritious addition to your meals. 9. Avocado. Avocado is a creamy fruit that's low in carbs and sugar while being rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. It's also a good source of vitamins K, E, and C. Enjoy it in salads, sandwiches, or as a base for a tasty guacamole dip. 10. Olives. Olives are unique low-carb and low-sugar snacks or ingredients. They contain healthy fats and antioxidants that support overall health. You can add them to salads, pizzas, or enjoy them as a standalone snack. Incorporating these 10 foods into your diet not only helps you maintain a low-carb, low-sugar lifestyle, but also ensures you're getting a variety of essential nutrients. Remember that a balanced diet is key to overall health, so enjoy these foods in combination with others for the best results.